Northumberland, thumbs up. We like it. It's a good map. We're here. Follow the river. Some bridges. Victorian picnic area. And the waterfall.
1.5 miles to 187th waterfall.
Can't believe it.
So we search for waterfalls around the world. First signs of a stream on this walk.
We're following the stream, aren't we?
1.5 miles to the waterfall.
It's a nice little path through the forest.
We're gaining ground on this 187th waterfall. There's a false alarm back there. I feel like it's just slightly further up.
I think so.
And we should reach the main waterfall on the Hareshaw Lynn Walk Trail. I feel like it's going to be close now. Rush of running water. There's a cave up ahead. I wonder if this is it.
I think we found it. Oh.
Let's look it up. Look at the size of that.
Oh wow, look at that.
Right. There it is, in the distance. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that's really cool.
It's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's really pretty. Wow.
Look at that. That is beautiful.
Oh, smell. So fresh.
That is awesome. Wow, that is really going for it. We're going to get a closer view now. It was torrential rain last night, so it's really added to the flowing water that we're going to see now.
I think it's the best time to come when it's after the rain, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got the perfect day for it.
A closer view.
That's really good from here.
Hareshaw Waterfall.
187 on our list. This is amazing.
a bit damp this morning. In Northumberland National Park.
We're in Kilda Forest and we've pulled into the little parking, and there's actually toilets here as well, which is pretty unusual for a UK forest car park.
So just continue to go down the path and there's a sign, just make your way right, and it looks like we're now on a lovely trail through the forest. It's quite a nice walk, and hopefully soon Waterfall 188 will be ticked off.
Before we drown.
And tea's out.
Tea's got to be out this morning. Oh. Welcome to the UK summer.
What if we go down to Waterfall? Well, I can hear rushing water. I can see something through the trees.
Oh.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Down here?
Try it. It makes sense to go towards the water.
Well, I can see water. Let's go to water.
Okay.
Every time you see some steps down next to a barrier, we're normally near a waterfall.
That's true. It's quite a good indicator, isn't it?
Going by our years of experience searching for waterfalls.
Yeah. Top tips, people. You don't get them anywhere else.
Our instincts to say go down here. Well, there's the orange arrow we've been following. It's funny because there wasn't one to come down here, so it is a bit confusing. Using that old experience. And it's got an arrow straight ahead.
I think I can see it through the trees.
Okay, let's continue. Looks good, looks good. Looks pretty. This looks like it's hidden away too. Look at that.
Like a little hobbit world. Suddenly, it's really pretty. Oh,
Nice little steps to it too. Be careful. Oh, look how cool that looks.
we think this is called Lake Hope Burnhowl Waterfall. Sorry if we pronounced that wrong. It is absolutely gorgeous.
It's beautifully hidden in the forest, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels so like tucked away, like a little hidden oasis. 188 waterfall for us. We're not quite sure why the water is so brown here, so if anyone knows, do let us know in the comments. Is it some sort of mineral or... I don't know. It looks cool. And then on the waterfall, it looks a bit like caramel.
We follow the arrow. We've seen the waterfall that way.
That's really good.
It's like a bonus waterfall.
Yeah, I like that.
You could see the other one through the forest a bit.
Yeah. That one massive rock there.
That's pretty cool.
I like that.
Very nice. 12 away now from that 200 marker. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
What are you waiting for?
Follow the journey and tell us how many of these 188 you've seen.
Yeah.
And where else do we need to go?
Tell us your favourites. Where are they? We need to see more.
Because there's plenty more out there, but we haven't discovered yet.
Northumberland. Thumbs up. We like it.